I have a wife.
Caroline.
What? How?
It's in your file.
Please, let me go. What do you want? I'll do anything.
I don't have time for this. Gag him.
No, you can't.
And why is that?
I have asthma. Gagging me will cause an attack.
No mention of asthma in his file, sir.
Cool story, Maddie. Too bad it doesn't check out.
Where is your inhaler?
Well, I left it in my car. Same parking lot you took me from.
How convenient.
I'm telling the truth. My inhaler, wallet, and ID are in that car. I'm asthmatic.
What's the worst that could happen if we don't gag him?
You could jeopardize our next mission.
Gag him.
No, please! What kind of person are you? My death would be on your...
This is wrong.
Why? Because it feels bad?
No, because... Damn it. We don't need to do this.
We don't need to take chances either.
You ever thought about what it's like, being helpless?
Oh, come on, he's not.
He is. And if you've never felt real pain you can't stop, can't escape, like your own body turning against you, then pray you never do.
Enough. You've got a captain for a reason. His orders stand. If you can't keep it together, you're a liability. End of story.
How far are we?
That's the one.
Everyone, out. Stay put, Matthew. We'll be back shortly.
It looks abandoned. Sir, you're looking for some cheap real estate. I know a guy. Could have saved us the trip.
Time and place, Dylan. This isn't either.
I was just trying to lighten the mood, sir.
Save it for after the mission. We can't afford distractions. All jokes stop. Now.
Got it, sir.
Good. Boss, Hawk 7, come in.
Report.
We are at location 2. Over.
Any signs of being followed?
Negative.
Oh yeah, because we're so easy to sneak up on. Ow! Damn, alright!
Can you see the entrance?
Affirmative. Clear visuals from my position. Requesting permission to proceed.
Expect possible complications.
What kind of complications?
No specifics yet. Helpful's working on it. You'll know when I do.
Real helpful.
Zip it.
Report immediately after entry.
Copy. Hawk 7 out. Focus on the primary objective. Do not engage until I give the command. Trevor, take point.
Affirmative. Hold.
Trev?
Someone's been here. Recently.
No kidding. That special someone is why we're here, genius.
Keep it down.
What do you see?
Footprints. Some are barefoot.
Hobos? Junkies?
Homeless don't go barefoot. Not in a place like this.
What's your take?
Could be human trafficking. If this is a holding site, expect armed guards. Sir?
Lock and load. We're going in.
Clear.
Place is dead, man. I wish I had a fresh death joke. All mine are expired.
Shut it. Eyes sharp. I need to call the...
Did you hear that? Over there. Loading bay.
Everyone, on me. Move quietly. Trevor, take point. Dylan, Nick, cover the rear.
Hands where I can see him. Do you hear me? Turn around.
Who are you? What are you doing here?
Is he chanting?
Sir?
This is your last warning.
Hey, drop the weapon.
He's about to...
Shoot this motherfucker!
What was that? What the fuck was that?
It was almost like he didn't feel pain.
Yo, am I talking to myself or what?
Ever heard of composure? Stop yelling.
The captain's right. There might be more.
More? Of what, exactly?
That's what we need to figure out.
Trevor, search the body.
On it.
Dylan, Nick, watch the entrances. Anything moves, I want to know. Did anyone catch what he was chanting?
Sounded like gibberish.
More like groaning from where I stood.
Groaning? Maybe we interrupted his me time. Guy just wanted some privacy.
Nick.
Alright. I'm done.
It was Hebrew.
You sure?
Positive.
Since when do you speak Hebrew?
Last case before I joined the squad. The suspect's lawyer spoke Hebrew. Spent hours in interrogations listening to it. Didn't understand a word back then, so I started learning the basics.
And?
Couldn't make out specific words, but the rhythm, the sounds, it was definitely Hebrew. I'm done. We need to talk.
Lay it on us, man.
Privately.
Oh, come on!
I told you to keep watch on the entrances.
Fine.
Alright, I'm listening.
They wanted us to kill him.
What?
Think about it. It wasn't an act of aggression. He made sure we put him down.
Trevor, slow down.
No, look at him. He was dead before we got here.
We shot him, Trev. That's what killed him.
Was it? Rope marks on his neck. He hanged himself. He died, and yet here he was, waiting for us.
Could be bruising, could be anything. You're reaching.
No, this was deliberate. Controlled. He was brought back, sentenced to die again by our hands.
You're saying someone made him attack us?
Not someone. The people running this entire operation.
That's one hell of a theory.
It's not a theory. It's the only explanation.
Hey, guys! Hate to break up your detective hour, but we've got company!
How many? Nick, how many?
I'm counting, alright?
For fuck's sake! Regroup, now!
Maybe they're not hostile.
Right, the bald one's coming to hug ya.
Shut it, both of you. Take positions! Open fire!
Keep coming.
Everyone back inside! Now! Find cover! Did everyone make it?
Barely.
They're coming from the other side, too.
Say what? We're surrounded. Fuck, this is bad. This is real bad.
These windows won't hold for long. Sir? There's a staircase over there. You have better chances upstairs.
Right! Everyone get moving! Dylan, breach that door! Move it!
Are they?
Dylan, make sure that door holds, no matter what. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
We need to make sure we're alone here. There could be more of them hiding in those rooms.
Sir, I don't know if we'll make it through this, but...
We will.
yeah, okay.
That retreat was clutch. Outside was a shit show, Cap. Glad you saw it for what it was. Could have called it a bit earlier, but hey, better late than never, right?
All right, enough. We're not out of the woods yet.
Cozy. In a we're next kind of way.
Do you ever run out of jokes?
Who said anything about a joke? This blood looks fresh, Cap.
Next room?
Yeah, nothing to see here.
We got another one.
He bit through his own wrists?
Yes, recently. 4 hours ago, maybe less.
And look at that. Same forehead badge.
Same symbol.
Official member of the Unalived and Unhinged Club.
Nick.
What? Just saying, if you're gonna go, there are easier ways.
He wasn't looking for easy. He wanted out. Fast.
Oh, yeah. Nothing says rational thinking like going full piranha on your arteries.
Nick, shut up. We're not done here yet. Let's move. Stay close. Watch the corners.
Too many places to hide in here.
Yeah, well, nothing jumping out at us.
Clear on my side.
Same. Bunch of busted crates and rat crap.
Alright, move on.
I think that's it.
Floor's clear.
Guys,
What now?
did anyone notice?
Notice what? Trevor's farts? That's why I never take off my gas mask.
No, I mean the sounds on the other side of the door. They're gone.
Door stays shut until I report our status. Leave it, Dylan. If they come back, we'll hear it.
I don't like this. Feels too quiet. They're not at the door, they're looking for another way in.
We're safe for the moment. Tend to your wounds. Check your gear.
All in working condition, sir.
Hey!
Can you stand still?
Are you trying to patch me up or perform a vivisection?
If you'd stop twerking your arm every 2 seconds, I might be able to do my job.
Boss, this is Hawk 7. Do you read? Boss, come in. Hawk 7 reporting. Over.
He's not answering?
Must be interference. Could be local, maybe environmental. We'll try again later.
Got more bad news for you, Cap. I'm out of meds. Nobody's dying if we huddle up and cry about it, but yeah. Whoever's busted up, stays busted. And if we get hit again...
I get it, Nick. We'll make do. Everyone pick a room and hold position. Eyes on the windows. And someone check the vent shaft in the technical room. It's big enough to hide an elephant. I'll update you when I hear from the boss. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.